Now the question, what is next? Where does this case against Trump go from here?
CBS News' John Diaz is live at Manhattan Criminal Court to continue our coverage from there. John?
Chris and Mary, good morning to both of you. And legal experts that CBS have been speaking with, saying that they strongly predict that Trump's legal team will be working diligently to try to dismiss this case almost immediately. But of course, though, the law is something the former president is not in charge of.
It's certainly an interesting indictment.
It's an historic indictment that has legal experts around the world looking over the arrest of former President Donald Trump. And some are left scratching their heads, asking why it appears certain information was kept out.
The indictment talks about concealing another crime, but it doesn't actually tell you what that crime is, which is an unusual way to approach it, to say the least.
But this could be a strategy, and some experts think the Manhattan District Attorney, Alvin Bragg, has a future plan.
There's more there, which maybe they'll bring up during the pendency of this case, and probably when there is an appeal, they will, I guess, maybe lay out then what some of that is.
According to the newly unsealed indictment issued by a New York grand jury last week, the former president is facing 34 counts of falsifying business records in the first degree, felony charges that could land him in prison for up to 4 years on each count. Experts strongly believe Mr. Trump's legal team will try to delay the case or get it dismissed.
Trump supporters are saying these charges would never be brought if we weren't talking about a candidate for the presidency and ultimately the president.
While others believe Trump may say some things he shouldn't, which could lead to serious consequences.
Threaten the judge, threaten the prosecutors, ultimately down the road, potentially threaten potential jurors. He's going to find out that that is the way in which you can get in trouble real quickly.
Now, Trump's next court date will be December 4th, which pushes it up right against the 2024 primaries. So it will be interesting to see what unfolds. But for now, we are live this morning from Lower Manhattan. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
John, thank you.